Hi, I'm Harshi Agarwal. I'm the founder artist at Brushes and Strokes. I specialize in Zentangle and doodle art. I also do other forms of art like acrylics, oil, fluid, and different forms. My specialization is also doing mixed media, where I combine Zentangle with another art form. I'm a lot into painting walls, murals, and recently started a new brand by the name of Kari, where I'm taking art beyond canvas. So, doing a lot of home linens and stuff like that with doodle art. World Art Community has been a very special platform. I have had a store with them for a long time, and it's an awesome place to be selling my paintings, and I hope to be doing much more with them in the near future. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit basic about Zentangle art. So Zentangle art is a art form which doesn't really come with a set of rules. It is an art form that where you can actually freely create. You don't really need too much guidance to really do this art form. It just requires a lot of patience and some really small tricks and techniques that can help you create really beautiful paintings. So today we'll be creating a little bit something. I'll show you the step-by-step process of how we can go about it. So let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute baby lion, and then we'll use some patterns to fill inside the lion. You can see this one that I've made. It's not a baby lion. This one requires a lot of training and practice, but this is something like what I would teach you, but with a easier, simpler drawing. I'll also teach you how to make the patterns and get there to each and every line. So to draw a baby lion, we will make a circle. Roughly, I don't want you to use any ruler or compass. Just let it be very freehand, free-flowing drawing. Don't worry about how neat or how perfect it's going to turn out. Sometimes it's good to just flow. And I'm gonna make the lion's hair, which is more like making grass. Do it on the other side as well. Now we're going to make the lion's body. To make the body, take two lines straight down, two smaller lines, one semicircle, another semicircle, and some curves, and we join these two by a little curved line. We're gonna make the back. It's a sitting lion cub. Again, we'll do the same on the other side. Make a tail. Make its feature. So we almost make a triangle in the center, and then a smaller triangle for the nose, two U's for the eyes, one straight line down, and a big smile through the line. Make some whiskers. Now the first step is for us to outline the painting. Sorry, I have an outline one. So I'll just here we did the lion's hair. The next thing that we're gonna do is the nose. Again, a very simple line exercise, which is small straight lines, not too far but not too close together as well, like how we drew raindrops. Just really basic. That was quick and super easy, and it looks kind of filled up. For the ears, I'm just gonna make another, and I'm just gonna fill this black. Whiskers, I'm gonna use my marker pen, make some dots with it first on both sides, and now I'm going to give like really freehand strokes of the whiskers. Now let's come to the tricky part, which is the body. So in Zentangle art, the best way to fill up your drawing is to create smaller divisions in large spaces. So we need to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these 5 different body parts stand out separately and they can't look merged. So what I usually do is I divide them into smaller areas. So I'll take the center bit where I'll divide it. You can divide it with double line, you can divide it with single line, however you like. And I'll take it all the way till the top. For the legs at the back, I'm going to do diagonal lines, but similarly just divide the whole thing. Same thing for the side. Of course, the direction of the line changes. No using rulers, just let it flow really freehand. Now all this looks separate. Now the tricky part is the legs in the middle, because it's going to be surrounded by lots of patterns. So I'm just going to change the direction of my diagonal lines and the division, so that when we fill in the patterns inside it, they look different and it stands out. To start with the first pattern, and this is one of the simplest pattern, I'll start from below. An entire painting. So the good thing about Zentangle art is that you need not have hundreds of patterns. You can actually just create a painting with bare minimum 4 or 5 patterns. The patterns don't have to be taught to you. You can create your own patterns and come up with a stunning artwork. You can add some extra elements like how I've added these triangles in the background where I've filled color into some, left some with just dots and lines. So this is how you can complete your artwork with barely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kinds of patterns actually. So I hope you liked it, and please do complete your artworks and upload them and tag me and World Art Community. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it.